Oh, mate. Yep. Yes, lovely. Look at that. Look at this. Wonderful. Yes. Ooh. Hey, and one of these. Stay tuned. Giveaway. Okay, so this is the pipe. So this is coming from Williams Performance. I will take it out of the wrapper, obviously. In the box it comes with the pipe and I believe a Jubilee clip which has fallen out. Here we go. So this Jubilee clip comes with it, as well as this. So this is a little stop button, so I can show you the exact same one I've got. Let me just close that slightly. Oh, here we go. Also, if you haven't seen that video, this is a continuation. If you haven't seen the video of me going to Prestige Performance, I'll leave a little link over here for you to watch it. But I used to have a silver one, I've changed it to a red one, so I just think the red looks slightly more race car. So that's what I've got here. Let's just pop the bonnet, so that's twice. Give that 2 times. Oh. Okay, so also, I've done a video, so I've changed the filter out. It doesn't have the stock on in there. It has an ITG filter. Again, thanks for Williams Performance for supplying that, and I'll leave a little link for that video as well. But as you can see here, this little pipe here, this horrible pipe with this. So I was a bit intrigued and I left it, but it has given me slightly more horsepower, 3 to be specific, and as I said in my other video, it hasn't given me loads of power. But as you go through the stages, stage 1, stage 2, you want a better free flowing air filter, and there are some that make less power when you put them in, but this has shown that it has made slightly more power, which is a great thing. This pipe here with this box here is a resonator. So obviously, as I've said before, the air comes through here into the intake, it gets through the filter that's going to stop all the debris coming into the engine, down here into the turbo, spins it up the charge cooler, up the charge pipes rather, into the charge cooler, cools the air down, puts it into the engine. This pipe here is obviously going to send the air into the turbo, but with this it's going to reduce the noise, and any like turbo whoosh or any back pressure that might come back is going to be silenced through this. So the pipe that Mark Williams at Williams Performance has engineered, it's going to stop me from not having some good noises. And you know, with all the new EU laws, they like to kind of dampen the car sound down, hence why they've put the resonator there. There is another one on the box below, but for now this is what we're going to be changing. It's very straightforward. You can see there's a Jubilee clamp here and a Jubilee clamp on the bottom there, so both need to be removed with either, I'm not too sure, I don't know if it's a 6mm or an 8mm, but we'll find out when we take it inside, or a screwdriver, and then we'll loosen it all out. But for the sake of the video, you can probably use your brains and see how easy it is. I might be taking out the airbox just because I want to have a look down there at the downpipe and obviously the turbo itself. I'm not going to throw too much away the reason why, but yeah, let's take it inside and have a look. But yeah, I also want to see D. I ain't seen D in a long time. Let's close this up. Here she is. Here she is. They were made. Okay. So yes, guys, if you don't know D, this is D. She's, remember from her, from my spoiler when she helped me fit it. So yeah, she's down here at Dub. So if you are interested, D is also the manager of Dub and the manager of every single business in the whole of Essex. Obviously. So yep, she's the gaffer. If you ever need any issues or anything, get in touch. I'm chatting rubbish. Okay, so as I said, we're going to take it in. It's currently quite busy here at the minute, so once some cars go out, then obviously I'll get back inside and yeah, I don't know what Dee's doing. Let's see. Oh, you've stopped now, have you? Alright, so as you can see, we've got some nice cars here. We've got this lovely 4 Series that Stu's working on. We've still got the Dub cars and they're nicely positioned together, so if you are interested, get in touch. Again, these cars are for sale, so if you are interested, especially this one that I really love. This colour's mad. You think I ain't seen you? I can spot you, mate. I can spot you. We've got Tint Wizards doing some tinted on the back over there. If you are interested, get it done. We've got a Tesla, Aston Martin, Minis. We've got another BM. I think that's an M3. Yep, and we've got an M3 over there, as well as a Porsche and a Ferrari, a Lambo, and we've got Sam. Can we see Sam? Look at. We got Sam the man. Sam's there. So yeah.
Oh, Neil. Oh, Neil. What's occurring?
Oh, what's occurring?
Apparently, we have biscuits that D hasn't. Oh yes. Yes, for me, I don't like cookies, but for some reason, these cookies are the best. Where have you come from? You weren't here a minute ago. Look at these. So these doing what's this called? Ceramic coat, yeah?
Yes.
Wicked. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we're in F1 Wax's Bay. Stu will be doing some bits on my car very shortly. But yeah, look at you. Ceramic coating. Cool. And this stuff lasts a couple of years, man. Proper good. So I cannot wait for Stu to be getting onto mine, but I'm actually liking this colour. And if those of you that think maybe this could be an idea for a wrap, let me know. But I'm looking to wrap my car at some point, but I'm into blue and red, so I'm not too sure, but this looks sick. Looks really nice. Look at that blue. Stu's already done his business on it, so you can see it's looking good. It's looking really good, and he's also put a coat of something on it, so he's going to be wiping it off very shortly. I don't know if you can see that smear, so it needs to be wiped off with that cloth very shortly, very soon. That's not looking good, Tel. I'm going to be very honest, mate. That looks very wrong. If I wouldn't do it that way. Nope, I wouldn't do that either, Tel. I wouldn't do that, Tel. It's that pressure, sticking him under that pressure. Pressure. So these on her brake currently, and as
to be precise, my 24th brake of the day.
24th brake. Stu's paying you too much. Listen to me, listen very carefully. When Stu does his magic on my car, you are only, listen to this very carefully, you're only allowed to clean the underside of the car. So you know the under tray?
Do you not trust me?
No, I do, but that's why I want to give you the best job possible, which is the underside of the car. You know the under tray?
Yeah, because I'm going to get dirty.
That is the best part to clean. So make sure when Stu's doing my car, under tray, that's all
I'm going to be machining and ceramic.
No.
I'm the ceramic queen,
Yeah,
honey.
you can use the machine, that's fine. Just make sure you don't plug it in. Okay, so now we've got the car inside. Let's pop the bonnet. 1, 2, popped it open. Okay, so as I've said earlier, all we're going to do is obviously remove this, because this is the resonator and this is what's holding it back. Also, I'm going to show you a little giveaway we're doing. So we've got a little red button that I showed you earlier. We're going to do a giveaway. In order to win that button, I'm going to send it for free anyway. You must be following Williams Performance and following me on Instagram. All you need to do is screenshot Williams Performance little homepage and then just share it, so I can show you how to. I'll put a little overlay on how to do that, but you share that and make sure you tag me in it. So you just type my name in it as I've shown you just now, and once you've done that, then obviously we'll select a winner at random around Sunday around 11 or 12 p.m, something like that, and then whoever we select, they win it. I'll post it out free of charge, etc. But yeah, let's get onto the install. So I'm obviously going to remove the plug here, which is the MAF sensor, slide that forward with a little flathead screwdriver, remove that, and then I'm just going to remove this clip and take this out of the way to give me access down there.
To release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I treat it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away.
You can't see whatever you're trying to show. No, you're zooming in. Okay, yeah. For God's sake.
Alright, so as you can see, we've got the entire airbox off. I just had to give that a big tug. What you want to make sure is that, as you can see over here, we've got some rubber bungs that need to make sure when we put it back in, we put it all back in place. So take these off, so they just come straight off. Let me just push that through. I might have to get 2 hands on this because it's a bit tricky. There, so take these off and make sure you put them back on the car, so that way you can just push the airbox on and these little bits here will go on nice and flush. Okay, so as you can see on the airbox, all I did, I just tugged on it and it came out. You probably don't need the airbox, but just for space wise, I've decided to take it out, and also because I wanted to get in here and show you guys the turbo, etc. But yeah, as you can see, this is the pipe here with this ugly resonator, and down there we've got quite an unfortunate, don't know how well you can see, I might have to get my iPhone light out and punch some light on it. Oh, there we go. Deanna, thank you for bringing the light. Can I just borrow that phone? If I come around this side, you can see in there. Where are we? I can see it, but the camera can't. How weird is that? But down there, there's another one of these clips. So yep, over there at the bottom, you can see you've got another one of those clips. That's got to come out. It's currently facing the wrong way, which is amazing and really, really helpful. But yeah, we'll take that out and then we can just replace it with our new hose pipe over there, and it does come with a Jubilee clip in case you're wondering, so you can use the Jubilee clip. And down there you obviously locate where the screw is, and then if you can get a little smidget off a screwdriver, a little flathead, and that's going to allow you to get some space because it's very cramped in there. But yeah, let's get on with that.
Reach a point we can't rewind.
exactly the same. Exactly the same. However, this is made out of silicone. It's not going to crack. And again, where I plan to go with the car in terms of stage 1, stage 2, I'm better off getting something like this, which isn't going to crack and it isn't going to break. And it's made out of a much better quality than these. And again, no resonator, which means I should get more sounds like whoosh or psst or... D, give us a sound of a turbo. Sorry, you don't own a turbo car. You don't know about psst. First things first, we're going to line it up. Before we tighten it up, we're going to line it up down there, so that way we can make any adjustments to make sure that bit is fitting onto that bit. But yeah, let's get to it. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to use the supplied clip for the bottom part off the hose. I'm just going to place that over it, and then we're going to line it up on the turbo and make sure that this ring, we're not going to tighten it, but we're going to make sure that this ring is in a position that's going to allow me to screw it in easier than the BMW part was.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need
Okay, so
some
as you can see, I was fiddling around on there. It's very, very important to make sure that when you do put the hose in down to the bottom, you make sure you get a good feeling around the bottom. I think you know what I mean when you do it yourself. But yeah, if you don't get a good feeling for it and you know there's a gap, you're going to have issues with your turbo and air loss sort of thing. So very, very important to make sure you have a little feel around, you know, at the bottom. Dee's laughing because she's a bit naughty. But yeah, feel around at the bottom, make sure it's definitely on, and then we're going to line up the airbox.
rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow.
Sorry for any inconvenience this has caused. Tim, terrible.
1 second. Okay, so I'm going to advise you to use a little bendy thing if you have it. If not, just use a flathead screwdriver and take your time. You don't want to lose a ratchet down there, which I haven't done, and it didn't take me 30 minutes to get Terry to come and get it. That's not what happened. This is just all one take. Come here, man. Come here. Come here. I'm joking, look. Alright, so recap. We've plugged this back in. Hoses are nice and tight. Give it a little pull. It's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. I've even pulled out the bottom as well. It's not coming out anywhere. And again, there's not going to be much pressure on this because obviously the pressure is going in and out. And again, the reason why I changed this is just to safeguard, because prevention is better than cure. So yeah, the next thing we're going to do is take it outside to give it some revs, and hopefully, I know it's going to sound good, but hopefully it sounds lovely. Let's go outside. Okay, so we're out here. It's a bit dark. Can you see me? Yeah, because obviously man's all blacked out. Man's like Stormzy right now. Skepta, come on. All right, so let's put it in neutral. Give it a few revs. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. No placebo. It's popping a lot better than before. It is popping a lot better. Bro, buff. Just take it out quickly.
Let's roll.
I'm just trying to listen. Oh yeah, it sounds different already. The turbo spool. Oh wait. I need to take this back on the dyno, and I'm not even gas. Everyone's like, oh yeah, he's only saying it for the video. It definitely sounds and it feels more responsive. I don't know why. Yeah, I can hear it. Yes. There's more swoosh, if that's a word. There's more swoosh. Yeah, that is much better. Yes. Woo! Close up the windows. Let me see if you can actually hear a difference with the window closed, actually. Okay, there's a tiny bit, you can't hear it as much. Probably can hear it more from the outside. Yeah, I can hear more of the turbo working. Whether it's not a whine, I don't know what the right word is, but there's definitely more of a swoosh. And it feels more responsive. Yeah. It sounds different, but in a good way. So again, this isn't more of a power mod. Let's just be very, very clear here. It's not a power mod. This mod is more for precaution, and it saves you from having to pop a inlet pipe on the motorway. Just like, it's a precaution. Whew! I'm happy with that. Very happy. Woo, parked up next to the Aston, as you do, man, like Jordan Banjo. Come on. All right, so yes, guys, that is the video. Give it a like if you've enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.
Rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions